In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp to Google Docs. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can connect a Google Doc directly to a ClickUp task and keep all your work in one place. First, make sure you're signed in to your ClickUp account and you've opened the workspace where your task lives. From your task list or board, open the specific task you want to work with. This is important because the Google Doc link will be attached to this exact task, making it easy for you and your team to find later. Inside the task, look for the More Options menu. Depending on your layout, this might appear as an ellipsis icon or a drop-down. This is where you'll be able to add external links. Keep this task window open for a moment because we're about to grab the link from Google Docs. Now switch over to your Google Doc. Make sure it's the exact document you want to connect. Click Share in the top right corner. Before you copy the link, review the access settings so the right people can open it from ClickUp. If you're collaborating with a team, choose a permission level that fits your needs. View, comment, or edit. And, if necessary, set it to anyone with the link or limit it to your organization, depending on your security policies. When the permissions look good, copy the link provided in the Share dialog. Head back to your open ClickUp task. In the More Options area, paste the Google Docs link where it prompts you to add or attach a link. ClickUp will recognize it and may show you a preview or ask how you'd like it displayed. Follow the prompts on your screen to confirm. In most cases, you'll see the link appear in the task's attachments or in a dedicated links section, so it's always just a click away. That's the entire connection. From now on, anyone viewing the task can open the Google Doc directly without hunting through folders. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Give your Google Doc a clear, descriptive title so it's obvious what the file contains when someone hovers over the link. If you update the doc's sharing permissions later, remember that it affects access from ClickUp too. And if you're managing multiple documents for one task, add a brief note in the task description explaining what each link is for so teammates know exactly where to look. Once your link is in place and you've followed the on-screen prompts, you're done. Your ClickUp task and Google Doc are now integrated, helping you move faster and stay organized.